Hi, and welcome to an unboxing and quick start guide for our CONiX Testfleet Evaluation Kit. The kit gives you the possibility to test the basic functionalities of our CONiX Testfleet solution directly out of the box. So let's start with a view into the case. Our evaluation kit comes with a B+ gate box, a GPS antenna, an LTE antenna, a power supply to use the gate box in the office, an OBD2 connector, and a power supply for in-vehicle usage. Furthermore, we have a Wi-Fi router, a tablet, some more cables, a written quick start guide, and a manual. Pre-installed on the gate box is the Agent, our software component. And there is already a SIM card inside the gate box to grant mobile data connection. Let's take a closer look at the desk setup use case. This will help you to get to know our systems better. To set up the system, we start with the gate box itself. Screw on the LTE antenna, and the GPS antenna. If necessary, change the terminal block. For power supply, connect the power plug of the AC/DC adapter to the gate box. Once the power supply is connected, move the slide switch of the power plug towards the gate box. Then you can connect a monitor. You can quit the tablet here and directly connect the gate box with a monitor via HDMI on your desk. In addition, you can connect a keyboard and a mouse. If you run out of USB ports, you can also use a USB hub. To start the system now, connect the gate box to electricity and it will boot up automatically. After a few seconds, the system is ready for use. Now you have direct access to the system, which gives you the possibility to configure the status page on the iPad. Choose which CAN signals to display, use your own DBC file for CAN coding and decoding, or much more. You will have the same view and functionalities on the monitor as you have on the tablet. To stop the system, move the slide switch of the power plug away from the gate box. This will cause a clean shutdown. Don't forget to unplug it from the power socket after all network lights turned off.